Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Indeed to search for a job. Firstly, enter the job title on the Home tab on Indeed. Then location or type position. You can also search for remote jobs if you're looking to work from home opportunities. Once you see the results, use the filters to narrow them down by posting date, job type, and salary, location, company, and experience level. You can save jobs by clicking on the three dots at the top of the listings if you don't want to apply to them now, or by clicking the bookmark icon when viewing a specific job. Whenever you see a job you like, just hit the apply button. You can apply through the Indeed website or the company's website. This helps you organize your search and apply later when you're ready. And that's it, guys. Happy looking for jobs. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you, and I will see you on the next one.